Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a fog light kit on a '07 Honda Fit. I got the fog light kit off of Amazon for cheap. It was like $55, something like that. So basically you're going to start with taking your bumper off. There's two Phillips. There's one, ooh, you see, that's kind of loose. But yeah, there's one Phillip here. And then there's another Phillip on the other side in the same spot. And then you're gonna have these clips, these annoying ass plastic clips. Try to be gentle with them, especially if your car's older, they've never been changed. You know they break all the time. It's one, sorry, my damn camera cut off. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 across the top. You'll just pop them out. If you got the little pry tool, you can use that, or use like a little flathead or something. Once you take that off, then I had to find a spot where I'm gonna run my wire through. This is how I got my wire laid out for now. This goes inside towards the switch. This disconnects. So I'll probably disconnect this in a minute and put it inside, but this wire right here has to go through the firewall. I'm probably gonna use that space right there. That was the easiest grommet to take off. Not bad. That was the easiest one to take off right there on the passenger footwell. So you're gonna kind of like pull the carpet back, and then you'll see the wire come through. You can grab it. As far as the fog lights, they're easy to go on, to be honest. They got, you see this little ledge right here? Just put that in the corner, catch the side of the bumper, and then you see that little dent right there. You just push it all the way back, and they provide these Phillips screws, and you just put that in. Alright guys, I hooked the power wire up to here. There was a little bit extra. I'll either bolt that to the side right here or zip tie it. There was a little extra wire, so I just zip tied that there. One bumper's there. I put this other ground right here. Then I ran it up. So listen, the wire that it came with before, that yellow wire right there, that shit is too short. So there's an extra wire that comes with the kit. There's a red wire. It plugs right into it. I guess it's like an extension for it. And then once you just put it through, you'll see it drop down pretty easy. Then I'm just running it back here in back of the carpet to this side, and then I'll set up the switch and everything. The switch will go here. Normally you'll have like a little blank, little plastic. You just take this off. You turn this thing sideways, that's here, this little lever. Then you pull this off and you can pop that right out. Alright, so how I wired this is I use the number 18 fuse. No, I'm sorry. I use the number 8, I believe. Yeah, the daylight fuse. It was empty and it works with ignition power on, so I just use that one, which is right there. I really got to put a 10 in there, but just put a 20 for now to see if it works. And then I grounded it up here. Then I just ran this through, which could be pulled through right now. And boom. And that's it. Just hide all the wires. Make sure nothing is exposed. I'll probably tape that up right here. And then I'll just reconnect put the bumper back on. But yeah, that's pretty much it.